how are you doing? I'm just at a customer's property that I swapped an extract fan for a couple of weeks ago. We've installed our nice Vantage Man Satan new air faith. You can hear it running there, it's just whirring away. Now, client were telling me that the humidistat wasn't turning off. What we did say was that there's a fly screen on the grill, and I tried to clean that when I swapped it and sort of just see how it goes from there. So now we've got the test kit on there. We're going to show you performance with the fly screen and without, and we'll explain why this humidistat is not actually going off at the moment. So. When you're in a bathroom, you should be looking from one of these anemometer test kits. You should be looking about 13 litres a second. Now, this fan isn't even on full. It's nearly at its limit. We don't want to put it on full blast anyway, because you don't want anything operating at full all the time. So I'm going to do a little bit of shuffling on this, and we're going to see where we're at power wise. We've got our fan in there with the cover on, and we want to look at this bottom number here. We are at 80. Now it should go up, yeah. You can see it fans are spinning. Impeller on the tester and spinning, we're at 1.8 litres a second. Now installing ducting in it, most electricians do it. It can be a fairly easy job if it's done right. One of the failing issues with extract fans is the ducting. So you can have the best fan in the world, the most powerful fan in the world. If the ducting is naff, it ain't gonna work. So as you can hear from this one, you can hear it whirring away. You can hear it on the slight, because it is a quiet running fan. I would expect about 19 litres a second out of that, with a proper grill on, with a decent ducting, straight out wall, and we're getting 1.8 litres a second. So I need to remove the fly screen, it's full of dirt and crap. I'm going to take that out completely, leave the fan constantly running on a low speed, and then we'll have the boost, and it should be extracting a lot better. So here we have the fly screen. Can't really see much through there, you can see, but that's what happens to them. They get caked. Sometimes you can clean them off, but usually I just peel them off, to be honest, and get rid of them. So with grill on now with no fly screen, we're going to give this a quick test. I'm going to turn it on first. Got my ladders, got my test kit out again. We're going to see this number and see how we're doing. Oh, look at that. 18 litres a second. Now I haven't changed any settings on that. But that is the difference that has made, and now that will be working as it should. And the customer should certainly see a big difference with that humidistat not operating all the time now. We're getting well above what you should be getting out of a bathroom. You're going to get rid of your condensation, your steam to an extent, and obviously your mould. So yeah, it's a good thing to have a look at. If you're having a problem with your fan, give it a go, have a little look, just give it a clean. Sometimes you're looking at 100% improvement on airflows just by cleaning the fan. If the wrong grill and the wrong ducts is installed, by all means you can get in touch and we can discuss further how we're going to replace all this sort of stuff. So okay, thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you later.